299 pesos self-portrait na only packs, free use of other props, and get all soft copies for free. Yes, dito lang yan sa Prop City Self-Photo San Fernando branch. Pwede ito kung want nyo ng family picture, banding nyong magbabarkada, birthday photoshoot, and many more. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng photographer para sa mga magandang pictures. Aside dyan, marami pa silang ibang packages and promo na ino-offer sa studio nila. Package starts at 299 pesos na may pa-unlimited packs, backdrop color, get all soft copies for free, over 100 of props na free to use, free props for pets, free wifi, and fully air conditioned. Shared parking space naman sa ilalim and open sila ng Monday to Sunday, 10 a.m. until 7 p.m. Located dito sa second floor, Alan C. David Building, Dolores Intersection, Usea Bad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga, beside DHL Express, near PNP Substation 2 and above Angels Shoe Club. Much better magpabook kayo bago kayo pumunta. Mag-direct PM lang kayo sa Prop City Self-Photo San Fernando branch Facebook page.